Hello everyone. Are you also seeing a red alert in your ITS application that your photo not uploaded or your photo needs to be renewed? You can fix this error through your mobile phone without going anywhere. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to click picture as per ITS guidelines, how to edit its background, how to resize and compress your image, and how to upload it in your ITS application. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So let's start the process. The first step is to click the photo. You can either take selfie or you can take the help of others. You also have to take care of few things which are as follows apart from the instructions laid down by ITS. If you are wearing Rida, always click your picture with a light color background, preferably white. I would recommend to wear dark color and avoid gray color. If you are wearing saya and kurta, you have to click your picture with a dark color background. Please avoid white or any other light color background. If you are wearing glasses, make sure that there is no reflection of any light or flash. If you are taking selfie, you can reduce your phone brightness level to zero after adjusting your angle to get zero reflection results. Once you have clicked the photo, you have to crop it and remove any additional object or mark coming inside the frame. Now the second step is to edit the background, and for that you have to install one application from Google Play Store, which is Photo for Passport. I'm not sure whether this application is available in iOS, but you can search for similar application to do your work. Open the application once the installation is finished and select the background remover option at downside. On the next screen you will see the list of countries to select. As we want the gray background, we have to select the country with background color as gray. So you can select India here. You can also select any other country with a background color option as gray. After this, you will see two options, camera and gallery, and as you have already clicked the photo, you can open it from gallery. Click on remove background on the next page when the image is open. On the next page, you will see few tools at downside to remove the background. These tools works differently in different cases. You can use magic tool or fill tool to select the background area automatically. Now here you have to select second tool which is fill, and after this tap it on the background to remove it. Click on right button at downside. After this click on save on the top right corner on the next page. The next screen will give you the options to select background color. As we need the gray one, simply select it and click on done and save your photo by selecting save as on the next page. Again the new window will appear asking you to save your image. Just click on save and you will see that the background of your image is changed to gray. After your background image is changed to gray, here comes the third step to resize and compress the image. And for that you would need to install another application from Google Play Store, which is ID Photo application. So just go to Google Play Store and search ID Photo application, and on the top of the page you will find this application. Just click on it and install it. Open the application after that. Now here you will see three options and you have to select the first one choose from your gallery. From here you have to open that image with a gray background which you have edited recently. Select yes on the top where use this photo is written. Now here you have to enter the dimensions which are given by ITS, which is 25 mm width and 30 mm height. Click on apply this size. On the next page, you will see a box with the dimensions 25 mm into 30 mm. So what you have to do is to adjust the photo in this particular box. You can use your thumb and index finger to shrink this image to the box. Make sure that you are covering 85% area of the box. Don't contract your image too much. Once you have adjusted your photo in the box, click on Finish Adjustment on the top right. Click on Yes button here. Now on this screen you will find option to save and download your photo. Just click on this download button and save your photo. Now here is the fourth and the last step to upload your photo. Open your ITS application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, click on the toggle button on the top left corner. After this, select the third option, ITS website. A new page will open in front of you. It will take 4 to 5 seconds to load, so please wait patiently. After this, click on another toggle button which is on the right side. Now scroll the page slightly down to the updates area and click on it. You will see further options under drop down list. Select the last option, photograph. Here you will see list of all members linked with your ITS number. You can also upload their photo from your ITS account. In my case, it is showing pre-verification done under photo status as I've already uploaded the photo, but you will see photo not uploaded or needs to be renewed. So you have to click on edit for the ITS number you want to upload your data. Now here you have to select second last option, upload details, and wait for another page to open. On this page, you can see all the guidelines laid down by ITS about how your photo should be. As I have already guided you how to prepare your photo, you can skip this and come to the downside to select file. Click on choose file and select the photo to upload. Please note that here you have to select the last photo which you have compressed and resized after editing the background. In my case, the option to choose file is grayed out because I have already done it, but in your case, you will see this option. After this, scroll down the page and click on Save and Verify. You will see this page with confirmation your ITS data has been successfully verified. If there is any problem in your photo, you will see an error. In that case, you have to recheck whether your photo is edited and resized properly. So this is all done for your one ITS number and you can do rest of your ITS number in the same way. If you face any difficulty, you can leave a comment below and I will try my best to fix it. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Khuda Hafiz.